We're gonna add one more little star here. This is gonna be our little secret. Wow. That was a hoot. Thanks for joining, guys. What do we got going over here? What a mess. How are we ever gonna take care of this? I got an idea. Let's ask my ficus friend Ned. Hey Ned, how are we gonna hide those cables? Oh, got something for me? The ficus provides. Wow, EGAVCMOW1 by Echogear. This baby's nice. Well, I'm pulling everything out of the bag. We're gonna flash the tools you need across the bottom of your screen. There's not a whole lot of pieces to this. Real easy install, quick, and a really good time. Step 1, we want to measure and center the location. We want it to be in cahoots with the TV and just synergize and connect. All in one. It's like a circle. We need to cut the covers to the correct length. This is my friend the saw. Be careful though, he's got sharp little teeth. You're nice to him, he won't bite you back. Like a cool fall wind. Time to eat, Ned. Sending nature back to nature. Might be wondering what to do with the extra piece? Well, you can use that to attract the family of beavers. Getting a little hot in the studio today. Gotta let some air in. Ah, much better. Now that we're cut to length, we gotta position and level. And now we need to screw it to the wall. Where did I put my friend's screwdriver? Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Now it's time to route the cables. We're gonna bring them over here and comb them like a jellyfish. And next, we just want to clip on the cover like a nice clip-on tie, making it look nice and fancy. Forgot to mention, with this on-wall TV cable cover kit, it is paintable. Today we're gonna have it match this nice CEELO green. Forget you. Woo hoo hoo. And I love that song. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now I'm off to find that family of beavers. Good night, everyone.